Hello guys, welcome back again. So today we will discuss in this video about the functional interface. So before going to the function interface, in last video we have discussed about lambda expressions. I hope a lot of the things are clear to you guys. If you have any question, please feel free to reach me out, reach to me. Okay. So let's start the function interface. So function interface, let's discuss the theoretical definition and points I have mentioned. After that, we will go for the practical examples. So, what is function interface? Usually, interface which is annotated with at functional interface and has only a single abstract method is known as a functional interface. If that function is not annotated with the function interface and with the annotation of function interface, it is cannot be considered as a function interface in Java 8. But later version it can be considered. And next thing, if the function interface doesn't have this method, single abstract method, that that interface cannot be called as a functional interface. So the example of this one is a runnable. If we see the runnable interface, it is a function interface. Okay. So let's go to the practical example. I think we will cover these things in coding. Okay. So guys, let's suppose I have created a interface. Its name is a printable. So I want to mark this interface as a function interface. So, according to the definition we discussed last time, we have to mark this function with the annotation of functional interface. Okay, so the next thing is uh, we have a single abstract method. We should have a single abstract method in that interface. For example, you can see I have removed the function. Its name is print. So if I removed this one, so compiler will give the error on the annotation of this one. If I go, it will says remove annotation. Why? Because this was expecting a some single abstract method, but here there is no abstract method. That's why it was giving me the error. Okay, so if I paste this method as it and it is now a single abstract method. It has the single abstract method. Now it's a functional interface. So let's suppose if I add another function, its name is print other meta data. Let's suppose. So again, because these are two abstract methods, that's why it was saying I'm not a function interface. If I remove this annotation here, it was working fine. Leave this error because it was asking I have used this class somewhere. This interface I have used in other classes like cat and dog. That's why it was saying this function need to be implemented there. That's what it was giving me the error. Okay, so now it was saying this interface is not a functional interface. Okay, so to avoid the confusion, I'm going to move this function implementation for now. Sorry for late. Okay, so confusion has been removed. Now you can see if I remove this annotation, it was not having any problem. Here is the problem. Okay, let me What's the problem? It was saying. Okay, no issues. Let me clear the whole code from here. It was saying don't have any issue. I'm fine. Okay. Let me add the annotation function interface annotation giving me the error. Compiler says you are not allowed to have multiple abstract methods. Okay. So can we have the other methods? Let's see. Hmm, we have public void. What it was saying. Interface abstract method cannot have body. Okay. So it was saying interface abstract method does not have body. Okay. So it means we can't make the other implemented functions in function interface, but we can make the implementation of static methods in the interface in functional interface. Okay, so next thing, if I want to add hash code function, you can say object methods like toString. I think. Okay, let's suppose I want to add these functions, which is int hash code and toString boolean equals. Now these are also the abstract functions. So why my function interface now not giving me any error? So it's all condition in function interface. What is that condition? Function interface says if you are going to add the abstract methods of any object of the object, then you are allowed to use that one. You are allowed to use that one. So for example, hash code is the method of object. If I click here, it will take us to the object. You can see it has public native int hash code. Again, if I click on the toString, it will also take us to here, which is the part of the object, and same for equal method. The conclusion we can get from this uh, implementation from these methods, uh, the conclusion is function interface allow only single abstract method, but we can have the abstract methods of the object in our function interface. Okay, so guys, I think this is the about function interface. But for example, if I have another interface, public interface, other interface, implement, let implement later. Okay, so okay, so it was saying you need to create another class. Okay, I'm saying okay, create for me. So I have created, and now I'm going asking hello. And this is the simple interface. Now if I want to implement sorry, but it was not giving me suggestion. Sorry guys. I think that is implements printable. What it was saying, it doesn't allow to implement. Okay, I have used the extends, but I think it should have the implement. Okay, leave it. Uh, it Now I want to make this other interface as an function interface. Can I make this one or not? Let's try. It gives an error. What is the error? It says multiple non-overriding abstract methods found in interface. How? What is that? Actually, this is the limitation of a function interface. If function interface is going to extend another function interface, it doesn't allow to have the abstract methods. Okay, because it should have the single abstract method. It was getting the abstract method from the parent because it was accessible. That's why it was thinking like we have two abstract methods. That's why it was giving the error. Okay, it means we cannot have the abstract method if we want to extend the functional interface in our child function interface. Okay, so let me try by removing this one. So now it was saying I'm fine, I have no issue. Okay, so this is the functional interface. I hope things are clear. Now move back to our slides. So uh, again, reminding the definition of the function interface. Uh, an interface which have the annotation of at functional interface, and it should have single abstract method is called functional interface. So if someone says what is the example of function interface, you can say runnable. So I think guys we have discussed the function interface in detail. If you guys think we missed something or we need to improve anything, kindly comment us so we will try to make it more efficient and more productive. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.